Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common headache for Spectrum router users, that pesky solid red light. If you're seeing this in 2025, don't panic. It's often a sign of connectivity issues, hardware problems, or even a simple glitch. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to get your router back up and running smoothly. Let's jump right in. First off, what does a solid red light mean? Typically, it indicates an error with your internet connection, possible overheating, or a device malfunction. Before we get into fixes, make sure your router is in a well-ventilated area and not exposed to extreme temperatures. That could be the culprit. Step 1. Check all your cables and connections. Ensure the power cord, Ethernet cables, and coaxial connections are securely plugged in. Sometimes, a loose cable is all it takes to cause this issue. Give everything a gentle wiggle and double-check. Next, perform a simple restart. Unplug your router from the power source, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This can resolve temporary glitches and refresh the system. If the red light persists, we're not done yet. Now, let's try updating the firmware. Log into your Spectrum app or visit their website to check for any available updates. Outdated firmware is a frequent cause of router problems in 2025. So keeping it current is key. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. If that doesn't work, consider a factory reset. This will erase all custom settings, so back up any important configurations first. To do this, locate the reset button on your router, usually on the back, and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash. Remember, this is a last resort before calling in the pros. Finally, if none of these steps fix the issue, it's time to contact Spectrum support. They can run diagnostics remotely or send a technician if needed. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button if this helped. Stay tuned for more tech tips, and remember, a little troubleshooting goes a long way. See you next time.